In today's video, we will recall how to request a personalized interpretation of a celestial body or a point in our natal chart. The character in this example will be Martina, but choose whoever you like from your list of natal charts. On this main screen, let's tap the Astral Map button. If the desired person is not the one displayed, tap on the name and search or select. Let's tap the Go button. While we wait, we can read philosophical phrases or planetary positions of the map being constructed. And there we go, we now have Martina's chart on the screen. First, let's zoom in. It can make the localization process easier. And inside the second wheel, counting from the center, which is the wheel of birth positions, let's look for the moon. And here is Martina's moon, in the sign of Scorpio and in the 8th house. When people ask us what our sign is, we immediately respond with the sign associated with our day of birth. But that is only our solar sign, one of the 12 sections of the Great Plane defined by the Earth's rotation around the Sun, called the ecliptic, where the Sun is located at the moment of our birth. But there are other fundamental signs to understand the symbolism associated with our life. One of them is the lunar sign. The moon in the sky, when observed from Earth, appears to have a size similar to the Sun. And it's in this context that its importance should be determined. From my perspective, for us conscious beings, symbols, the countless guiding signs that mark our life path, should be read based on the immediate impression they cause on our inner state. And the moon, which represents our sentimental nature, our instincts, our emotional needs, and the way we deal with the inner world, causes us deep impressions. Therefore, the sign where the moon is located at the moment of our birth has a relevance comparable to the solar sign. Let's double-click or long-press the glyph representing the moon. A window appears with astrological and astronomical data, but in this situation, we're interested in the interpretation. So let's tap the question mark button. When you're asked if you want to review a saved interpretation, it means that by choosing that interpretation, you won't consume a credit. I will choose Saved. If this is the first time you request this interpretation, this dialog will not appear. And here is a description in astrological terminology of the moon. What really interests us comes next, and for that, let's tap Next at the bottom of the screen. And here it is, an interpretation both for the astrological meaning of Martina's moon position in her birth chart, as well as an analysis of the situation in terms of transits and progressions for the current date, which is set by default. But you can choose another date. Thank you for your attention, and until the next video.